In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Airtable Workspace ID. This will be a simple and straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, the journey begins with navigating to Airtable's official website. If you're new to Airtable or haven't visited in a while, Airtable is a versatile platform designed for creating next-generation applications. With a user-friendly interface, Airtable allows you to manage data effortlessly, and today we're focusing on locating your Workspace ID within their system. Once you are on the Airtable homepage, it's time to sign in. Look towards the top right of the web page, and you should see a Sign In button. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. Enter your credentials, such as your email and password, to access your account. Ensuring you are securely logged in is important, as it grants you access to all your workspaces and the ability to locate the workspace ID we're searching for. After you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Airtable homepage. This is the central hub for all your projects, datasets, and most importantly, your workspaces. You'll see a list of your recent activities and projects. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with this layout, as you'll need to navigate it smoothly in the upcoming steps. Next, you need to identify and click on one specific workspace that interests you. This is crucial as each workspace has its unique ID, and selecting the correct one will ensure you're retrieving the correct information. Once inside the workspace, you will notice a range of options, features, and characteristics specific to that workspace. Take a moment to explore if necessary, but don't get sidetracked since our goal remains to find the workspace ID. Now onto the crucial part of this guide, navigating to your URL bar. This is the address bar located at the very top of your web browser. It might seem trivial, but this is where the workspace ID is cleverly hidden. The URL for each workspace will have a particular structure, and part of its composition is the ID we're after. Carefully take a look at the URL. It usually appears after app. This identifier is what we denote as the workspace ID. Make sure to take note of this, perhaps by copying it to a document for future reference or use. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to find your Airtable Workspace ID. Let's recap. We've navigated to the Airtable website, signed in, accessed the homepage, selected a specific workspace, and uncovered the workspace ID within the URL. Having this knowledge at your fingertips is invaluable for various activities within Airtable's environment. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.